What is a subpoena and what if you ignore it? Imagine being called to court and not showing up. It might seem harmless, but ignoring a legal order to appear can cause serious trouble. That's where a subpoena comes in. A subpoena is a legal document issued by a court or an authorized person that commands someone to do something. Usually, it asks a person to appear in court to give testimony or to bring specific documents or evidence related to a case. There are different types of subpoenas. One is called a subpoena ad testificandum, which means you must testify as a witness. Another is a subpoena ducis tecum, which requires you to produce documents or records. There are also deposition subpoenas used before a trial during the discovery phase, where parties gather evidence. Subpoenas can be issued in civil cases, criminal cases, administrative hearings, or investigations. For a subpoena to be valid, it must be properly served. This usually means delivering it in person, but sometimes it can be sent by mail or other approved methods, depending on the jurisdiction. Once served, the person named in the subpoena is legally required to follow its instructions unless they have a valid legal reason or privilege. If someone ignores or refuses to comply with a subpoena without a good reason, they can be held in contempt of court. This can lead to fines, jail time, or other penalties. The court might also start civil or criminal proceedings to enforce the subpoena. Ignoring a subpoena can hurt your case because the court might see your noncompliance as uncooperative or disrespectful. It could also mean missing out on important evidence or testimony that could influence the case's outcome. Understanding subpoenas is key for everyone involved in a court case. Lawyers often use subpoenas to gather evidence or secure witnesses. Witnesses need to know they are legally obligated to respond when served. Experts might prefer to be subpoenaed because it shows their testimony is important and impartial. Overall, a subpoena is a powerful tool that helps courts get the evidence they need to make fair decisions. Ignoring it can lead to serious legal consequences and could delay or even derail the case. So, if you receive a subpoena, it's best to take it seriously and respond appropriately to avoid unnecessary trouble.